Hi, I'm Spencer Marker, and today we're going to talk about one of the biggest potential water wasters in the house and how easy it is to actually diagnose and repair that. That's a toilet tank. Toilet tank has water in it. It's got a flapper valve in it, and if that flapper valve leaks, the water goes down slowly, and all of a sudden you may hear a ghost flush in your house, which is where you're in a room and you hear your toilet flush and there's nobody in the bathroom. It's called a ghost flush. Or you may just get a substantial water bill and wonder, wow, we didn't use all that water. What's unusual about that? The culprit can be a toilet flapper. Several ways to diagnose that. You might have heard people talk about putting cherry Kool-Aid, or putting red food dye in the water in the tank and then see if it leaks into the bowl. To me, that is an iffy one at best. The surest way to do that is to go down and make a mark in your tank where your water level is. Make a mark in the tank where the water level is, and then turn the water valve off down there. And then you come down the next morning. You come down the next morning and look at where the water level has dropped down to in that tank. If it hasn't dropped down in that tank, then the flapper valve is holding and it's not leaking. But if you look and the tank's empty, like it is from where I just flushed it, but if that tank's empty or the water level's down, you're losing water. And it's a simple enough cure. So while the water's off and the tank is drained, you simply reach down into the tank here, and there's two flappers. There's two ears on each flapper. One there and one there. And you just lift it off. You lift it off, and you take the chain off the hook, and there it is. And you can see where this has gotten corrosion on it and a film on it that allows water to slip by. So you simply throw that in the trash, get another one, it's all ready. You put those ears on either side, reattach the chain. Now when you reattach the chain, you don't want too much slack in it, and you don't want it tight because it'll hold that flapper up. You want it just right in the middle there. Just a little slack. So you put it on there, and you can see it works fine. We'll let the water back in the tank, and voila, the tank will fill up. We'll test to make sure that it flushes fine, and it's that simple. I bought this 3-pack for I think $8 at Home Depot, and you keep them in the house, because sooner or later you'll get a hefty water bill, or sooner or later you'll hear that ghost flush. It's worth it. In our house, we just go through and randomly turn the toilet off and see if it holds water, especially in the rooms that are vacant. So. Okay, the water's finished filling. It's right up to the line where it was, and toilet flushes like a champ. So we're good. Hope you enjoyed this video, found it informative. Every time a problem comes up in the house and I repair it, I take a video of it. So please hit the like button, and we'll keep them coming.